Like when I just talked to her about these cameras, she really thanked me because she thought that most of the Nigerians are scammers. As you know, even the scammers, I don't like
Okay. So right now, how did you receive the message when she first said she was coming to Nigeria? Did you believe her?
Oh yeah, I believe, but you know. Oh yeah, I believe, but you know, sometimes a person has to take a risk to do something.
So how did you feel when you saw her for the first time, physically?
I was very excited when I met her. She wasn't as chubby as I met her. She was so perfect. Her weight was so perfect, and her height is so perfect for me.
So would you say it's a dream come true that you've already, or you always had a fantasy of meeting a white woman?
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. That's my plan because I've been like planning to have a mixed race kid. So I can say that's is a dreams come true.
And how do you see the prospect of immigrating to the US?
Oh well, if we get married, hopefully, inshallah, in the month of March. Hopefully, it won't take that long, like probably 9 to 12 months. Hopefully, I will migrate to the US.
What I mean, are you looking forward to it? Like, are you looking forward to it? Is it like a sacrifice, or is it something that you like to do?
Well, you know, everything in this life is all about sacrifice. Yeah. So since I've gotten the approval of my parents, then I think I have a go ahead and I'm good to go.
Okay.
And how do you think your future will be together in the years?
Oh yeah.
What's the vision?
We're planning to get married and hopefully to have at least 40 kids.
To see what it was really like.
So what's your impression so far of Nigeria?
I like it. I mean, it's different. It's definitely different, but the people are very friendly here, very welcoming. Everybody says welcome to me. So the kids, the kids love me, and they're always hugging me, and they're wanting to play with my hair and play with my skin. So yeah, I like
So
it.
are you
Very
like just
busy.
friends with Sulaiman now, or you like?
Very busy people, like very hardworking. I see here.
So what's the relationship like with Sulaiman? Are you like love, or are you just friends?
I'm in love.
Sulaiman is my son, and there was a time he was seeking for admission into one of our university here, that's Northwest University. He could not get, despite the fact he scored the required mark. So in the events that he was not admitted, he now went into website seeking for an admission outside university. So he now came across of this American woman. There they start chatting. She now said she will be visiting Nigeria, and almost about 1 year now we have been chatting, and suddenly Isa came to tell me that the woman will be coming, and she came last Saturday, and we were together since then. At the end of the day, she said she wants to marry my son. I said, "You want to marry my son?" I said, "Yes." I said, "Okay." But no, she's a Muslim. He said, "Muslim." He said, "No." Yes, no problem. I know he's still a student looking for future. He said, "No, at America, he will get university almost free." I said, "Okay, Alhamdulillah. So if that is the case, we're happy to meet you." And my problem is I want him to further his education and his religion too. His religion, no problem. Maybe thereafter she may become a Muslim. So briefly, that is what happened. That's what happened.
So what are your thoughts on that?
Alhamdulillah, no problem. Muslims are allowed to marry a Christian. There is no problem. Hence, she confirmed to me that he will be furthering his education in America, and he will be having more opportunity there, and maybe free. So that's why the mother was happy about it, and Alhamdulillah, and she promised to become Muslim at the end of the day, and that is our hope.
But have you found out whether she is a Muslim? I mean, she is a Christian or a pagan?
She's a Christian. I think she's a Christian.
You found out?
Yes. I do go to her Facebook page, and I read it through her. She's not a Muslim anyway.
Oh.
No, she's not a Muslim.
Well, wanted to confirm, is she a pig? Is she just, Americans are nominal people?
Yeah.
Is she just a normal person, not necessarily a Christian?
I will
She
know.
could just be a free mind person.
I will know, because it's not my duty to say, are you really a Christian? Or you are really, it's not my duty to ask about that. All I want is, I want my son to maintain his religion, and at the end of the day, maybe she will become Muslim too. We hope so, inshallah.
Okay, such situations are rare.
Yeah.
So to what extent do you trust this American lady?
Well, I trust them because I took American by their word, and I believe she will not fool herself and fool us too. She will not fool herself and fool us. I trust her word. I trust what she said.
So are you in any case engaging the government?
Yes.
Or authority in any sense?
She'll be going back next week, and we're trying to do that. We will do that. We can't do without that. We must do that. As a retired security officer, I know what I'm talking about. We can't do without them. In fact, I'll be seeing the SSS by Monday to tell them about the situation.
What about her family over there? Have you had any contact with them to be sure that they're in line and in support of what's
Very
happening?
good. That is what I told her. I say Muslim doesn't marry a wife direct from a man to a woman. We must seek consent from the parent. And I told her that we must see a document, a written document from her parent. She said her father is late. I said, if you have a relation, so long the letter is from your parent, we can't do it without their consent. That's what Islam says.